Alrighty kids, today's the fucking day. Sticking the old Catback Arunskis on the 15 WRX. Our lovely steed up on these. Just got to jack the front, put some jack stands. Kind of handy having this little lip here, because if you're ever doing diff work, getting torque on that's a lot easier with the drop off. So yeah, we got our fucking stock set up there. I've already pre-lubed all those, and we've pre-lubed the springs, so 10 more minutes and they should be ready to roll. We'll pull this all off and stick on the new hotness. Fuck yeah. And that's our magic setup one. Couple of sockets, a little bit that way, a little bit that way, and you'll have those reefed right off. Yes. Last but not least, they're not too bad. I mean, that's fucking 5 years old, but I mean, we in BC, so it's not like we're living the salty dream. So yeah, those are off. Just rinse, repeat on those bad boys, and then she's just down to those, and we got the old stock off. Stuck off, eh? Why don't you stuck off? Anyhow, and then with the little finagling, yes, glorious fucking success. There's one stock. So these are the hangers. If it's nice and you live in the fucking coastal where it's not salty, these shouldn't be too bad. They should be still malleable, nice and ductile and malleable. They're malleable. Ductile is totally different. Wire. Anyhow, yeah, so just replace your stock. Here we go. Keep on keeping on. Now, you see, that's why you come out here with a little WD before you do it, because this, like, after an initial break, I mean, all it needs, you know, a socket and another socket. You could break those easy, and then like their hand loosen after halfway. So come out here with the dub, give it a soak, give yourself a big thumbs up there, and keep on keeping on. Fuck, almost got two. Stay with it, kids. Yeah, buddy, that's fucking two. Second up. Oh, you looking so pretty over there, baby. I see you. I see you. Yes, we do. Sure, old ugly sister out of here. Now, old and busted, new hotness. Old and busted, new hotness. Those things, look at the fucking size of these mufflers. It's just a little wee cute muffler. Yeah, it should be a little bit louder, just a little bit. All right, your old spring bolts that fit in there. You connected your mid to your down there. There's your donut gasket here. They say you can reuse it if you want to try and get a seal, but it's also recommended that you change it every time. So I'm just gonna gut a new one. I did, and it's gonna go in. So yeah, pop these bad boys off. They came out not too easy, or not too hard rather. And you just got, sorry for the disorienting fucking camera. There's one hanger right down there at the bend, and then this bad boy comes off. So yeah. There we go, kids. The old stock Catback. Corroded, gross, ugly, quiet, and all those other good things. Ready for that sickness. And there is our old, gross, fucking super corroded at the bottom donut gasket. Here's our brand spanking new from Subaru donut gasket. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I went into Subaru and I expected to pay money for this, and the guy would just hook me up. He said, don't worry about it. They sent a bunch of extras, so on the house. So thank you, Subaru Langley. You guys, Wolf Subaru, kicking ass, chewing bubble gum. You're all out of gum. Hanger N-1s first, hang them up, hang our mid up, and then kind of hand tighten everything. Screw our Y-pipe in, and yeah, just make sure everything seats properly and get to it. So if you'll notice, that's all one piece and that is two pieces. So we're just gonna go ahead and fix that together, kind of hand tighten it just so we can hang it properly and just get it all hung first, then we'll get it all up there. So make sure you got your gaskets set aside, make sure you got all your hardware lined up, don't lose any pieces, and yeah, get that shit hung. yeah, so this is them hand tightened, getting ready to put on. So now we can hang, and you'll notice that these also, all the hangers seem to face the other way from the stock setup, your OEM muffler. So if you're looking at that and freak out, don't. My hand's on backwards. Oh shit. Oh no, just kidding. No, it's not. We just put it on the other fucking way. Just put it on the other way, bro. All right, hanging mufflers. Let's go. And we're hung. Now, I didn't even have to lube those, so it just slid right back in. This thing's nice and dope as fuck looking compared to that gross old one. So there's one, get the other one, and we're off to the races. Though not really, we don't race. We drive the speed limit all the time, every time. And that's two. Hung to the nuts. Actually, no, just kidding, there's no nuts. They're just hangers. So, yeah. One end, get your gaskets, get your mid-pipe, get your freak on. Fuck yeah. I ain't gonna lie, I kinda got a semi with how these fucking burnt tips look, kids. Quad pipe look neat, but a couple of 4-inch barrels staring at you making fucking cracklies. That's good fun. That's good fun. Here we go. We got that little bastard. You're gonna need to elevate that end and just shimmy shot, trying to get this top part as straight as you can, like it's gonna go on, or else it feels like it just doesn't fucking fit. So make sure it's all twisted and kind of lined up down at that end, and then you'll actually be able to get that to slide into the hanger again. Otherwise, it's a pain in the ass, as I discovered. Carrying on. And there we are, getting these little gasket bastards hand tightened, but lined up real nice so that when we go fucking around with that donut gasket, everything's not all super fucked. Yeah, buddy. Holy fuck, we almost forgot the important stuff. The most important tool. My sockets. Check it. That's how it looks. Proper sandwich. OEM, fatty flange toward the OEM, skinny flange towards your mid pipe or your catback, and then just the regular gasket they put in there, and then torque it down to fuck whatever it is. But yeah, that saved me some fucking problems if I knew that beforehand. Quiet.